Data centers are growing at an unprecedented pace as the demand for high-performance computing and AI skyrockets. As today's IT systems become more densely packed, the heat they generate is off the charts. Traditional air cooling methods simply can't keep up on their own. Incorporating liquid cooling with traditional air cooling methods keeps your data center ready for what's next. Setting up and maintaining liquid cooling technology needs specialized care. Vertiv services are key to making the most of this advanced cooling method. We handle everything from careful planning and precise installation to fluid management and ongoing support, keeping your liquid cooling system and critical IT equipment running smoothly. Achieve peak system performance with Vertiv's liquid cooling services. Maintain efficient heat dissipation and optimal temperatures, even under the most demanding workloads. Installing liquid cooling requires more than just setup. It's about strategic execution. Our global liquid cooling support service meticulously manages every aspect of your system, from precise thermal regulation to seamless integration, delivering optimal performance and reliability. Maintaining a clean environment is key for the performance and longevity of your liquid cooling system. At Vertiv, we provide comprehensive support, from initial setup to thorough system validation, enabling optimal cleanliness and efficiency at every stage. Fluid quality is crucial to achieve equipment peak level performance. It's important to regularly monitor fluid quality, avoiding any possible leakage, and protect your critical infrastructure. Vertiv helps by sampling coolants, testing their quality, and making the right adjustments. Integral parts of our offering are Vertiv Next Predict condition-based maintenance and Vertiv Next Response advanced diagnostic and preventative monitoring services. Having spare parts ready helps avoid downtime and keeps your system running without interruptions. Vertiv's global supply chain makes deploying liquid cooling solutions easy. We offer end-to-end solutions tailored to your needs for the full suite of services. You'll have a single point of contact from start to finish. Prepare your data center for the evolving demands of modern technology with Vertiv's global expertise in liquid cooling. Visit vertiv.com today to get started.